My name is Vedhi Tripathi. I am part of the project The Servo Distance Indicator. My entry number is 20BC089.
My name is Vicky Kumar and I am the part of Servo Distance Indicator project and my entry number is 20BEC090.
My name is Vicky Kumar. I am the part of this project Servo Distance Indicator and my entry number is 20BEC091.
Hi, I am Vinayak Parth. My entry number is 20BEC092 and I am also the part of this project Servo Distance Indicator.
Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs, lights on a sensor, a finger on a button or a Twitter message and turn it into an output, activating a motor, turning on an LED, etc.
A jumper wire, also known as jumper wire, jumper cable, DuPont wire or cable, is an electrical wire or group of them in a cable with a connector or pin at each end or sometimes without them, simply tied, which is normally used to interconnect the components of a breadboard or other prototype or test circuit internally or with other equipment or components without soldering. Individual jumper wires are fitted by inserting their end connectors into the slot provided in a breadboard, the header connector of a circuit board, or a piece of test equipment. In this project also we use it to connect the components with the breadboard.
A breadboard is a thin plastic board used to hold electronic components like transistors, resistors, chips, etc. Breadboards can be reused for future jobs. It is used to develop prototypes of electronic circuits and make quick electrical connections between different components.
An ultrasonic sensor is an electronic device that measures the distance of a target object by emitting ultrasonic sound wave and convert the reflected sound into an electrical signal.
This is the code of Servo Distance Indicator. This code have three parts. First part is including library and defined pins. Second part void setup and third part is void loop. In first part, defined trigger pin is pin number 7. Defined echo pin is pin number 6. In second part, void setup, pin mode, trigger pin is used for output, pin mode, echo pin is used for input. Void loop, third part is void loop,